Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Krispy Kreme and rewards online. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Krispy Kreme application, which of course I have done right here next to this. Where can you find Krispy Kreme? You can find that on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Now, launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type on Krispy Kreme, and you're going to find on-screen prompts that are going to lead you to download and install the application on your phone. After installing successfully, it's going to take you right into the application itself, where you're going to be asked to either log in or to sign up by creating an account. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Krispy Kreme. Now, from here, I'm just going to show you how you can use Krispy Kreme and rewards online. Now, you can head over to the bottom of your screen and see the other tab. You're going to see that other tab or other icon. Click on order and follow through the prompts for you to place an order. Now, I already have an order stored up in my cart, so I'm just going to check the top right corner of my screen and click on my basket. All right. So if you have not placed and if you've not started any order process, just go ahead and click on that order button at the bottom corner of that screen and go ahead and select your product and add your product to basket, which of course I have done right here. So this, I just followed through the shortcut and went straight into my basket so that I can show you how you can use Krispy Kreme and rewards. So once you've added to basket and you head over to your basket and you want to place an order now, you'll see this window, which is my basket window. Now, the first thing you see is rewards, and you have a discount code and you have gift card. So go ahead and select rewards. Now it says there is no eligible rewards for my basket. So it says I can check my Smiles balance here by clicking on view balance. So if you have an eligible reward, then you're going to see the apply reward button. You're going to find that button in here that's going to allow you to apply your rewards. That if you have reward balance, if you have your Smile balance puffed up or loaded up, you're going to find it here, so you'll be able to apply the rewards during your checkout. So this is it. This is where, but right here I have no eligible rewards, so I cannot use my rewards. But if you have, just head over to this rewards category and then apply it. And once you apply it, go ahead and click on proceed to checkout at the bottom corner of your screen, and whatever amount you're going to have to spend on that donut is going to be deducted from your reward balance. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.